Welcome to Becoming Stoics, embracing the wisdom of the ancient Stoics one day at a time.
Episode 2, Control and Choice. Ano sa araw mo you're most worried about? This is what this passage is about. The chief task in life is simply this: to identify and separate matters so that I can say clearly to myself which are externals not under my control and which have to do with the choices I actually control. Where then do I look for good and evil, not to uncontrollable externals, but within myself to the choices that are my own? Epictetus. Yeah, that's the passage for today that we'll be talking about.
Ang bigat, no? Ang bigat kasi yung question mo kanina, ano yung pinaka-worried ako? Ang dami. Top of mind, bigay kita. Top of mind. Ang pinaka-worried ako is baka mamatay na ako ngayon. Okay? Pero
Heavy.
isa sa tabi ko yan.
That,
Okay? Kasi yun yung una kong naisip eh. Pero isa sa tabi ko yan, let's put that in a different, our, lagyan natin sa shelf. Lagyan natin sa
yes.
shelf.
Put a pin on
Tapos,
that.
ibaon natin yan, ipin natin yan. Pero yung next na problema ko is yung kakainin ko today.
Mm-hmm.
Or saan ko kukunin yung pera pambili ko ng pagkain ko today.
Mm-hmm.
Yun ako. Kasi, at I'm pretty sure yung mga nakikinig dito, mga OFW kaibigan natin, kayo mga primary audience nito, is I'm pretty sure yun din yung problema nyo, kahit nasa Pilipinas kayo o nasa ibang bansa. Pero ikaw, RB, gusto kong malaman, ano yung pinaka-worried ka sa araw mo?
Nowadays, not a lot, and that's with the help of stoicism actually. It's I I think I've learned how to really compartmentalize. I don't know if that's the right word. Parang to really think about things na parang, does this really matter?
Mm-hmm.
Do I really have to worry about this?
Mm-hmm.
And it's kind of easier for me to make choices that way. Control and choice. But if there's something, I guess I can make an example. Even nga ito medyo mabigat na worry eh. So at the time of recording, we just had a hurricane come through our area. And that is a very good example of an uncontrollable force. You can't do anything. Like it's coming.
Yes.
You know, whether it hits you or steers clear, it's out of your control. But what you have control over is what you do with that in that situation. And in that situation, we decided to leave the house. We prepared the house, we boarded up everything, and we left. And that's what you just gotta do. And even that simple decision that we have to leave, and what come what may kind of thing with the coming hurricane, like it helped me not to worry about it.
Yeah.
Like there's a possibility that I'll probably not have a house to come home to, but at that time siguro, yeah, I was just not worried. I think it's bad, but
Yeah,
yeah,
mo
I
na, no?
mean, yeah, kasi maski naman yung worry na, oh, what if, which is this what happened too? What if sundan naman tayo ng bagyo kung saan man tayo pupunta? I
O,
mean, that's
nag-alsabalutan ka,
another,
pumunta ka sa ibang lugar, tapos doon pumunta, no?
yeah, which is what happened. Pero yung decision na yon na umalis kami and pumunta kami sa Bayaw. Is that right? Brother-in-law? Bayaw ko.
Brother-in-law, yeah, bayaw.
Yeah. Kasi meron silang, yung condominium nila sa Orlando is kumbaga higher. It's on the 4th floor. So even mag-flash flood doon, okay lang. Less likely to lose power. So even if sumunod sa amin yung bagyo, hindi kami magba-brownout. Compared to kung
Sa
i-risk
bahay ka
namin
lang.
magstay sa bahay. So kung magstay kami sa bahay, then you're worried the whole time na oh, here it comes, you know, like at least yung decision na yun na we made that we had control over, either way it would work,
And the choices
di
that you
ba?
made when you discovered na alin yung control mo, and then the choices that you made after you nalaman mo kung ano yung control mo, naging worry-free na. Meaning, hindi
Yes,
na nag-worry after. Ang galing,
yes,
no? So, una, ay alam mo kung ano yung makakontrol mo, and then you made a choice of what you can control, and then the worrying was removed.
yes, yes.
Not completely, but lessened. Di
Yeah,
ba? Parang
and
ganon.
and I think the worrying kahit konti, 'di ba? Nandyan siya lagi kasi you always somewhat doubt yourself with that decision
Aha,
kasi every decision that you make, although yes, you can control that choice, you can decide on your own, and you know,
Pero yung outcome nun,
the
no?
outcome of those decisions can still be something out of your control,
Mhm.
and it's just a cycle, right? I think parang
Paulit-ulit
okay,
yun.
so you're
Decision will
presented with, di ba, you're
another
presented
situation.
with events that you can't control again because of that previous decision,
Mhm.
and then you just have to decide again what to do with that.
Mhm.
And it's just an ongoing cycle. And facing those consequences, I think, is, you know, it's just part of life, part of choices, what you do.
Mm.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, kasi, diba, let me give you the scenario. Kasi ang problema sa atin, nagiging problema ko, honestly, is, hindi ko kasi wini-weigh in kung ano yung mangyayari. Ah, hindi. Kung ano yung alternative. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Kung hindi ito yung choice na ginawa ko, ano yung possibility mangyari? Right? Di ba? Parang fork on the road yan eh. Di ba?
Yes.
Kakanan ba ako o kakaliwa? So napunta ka sa control, pupunta ako sa choice. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
sa choice is may kaliwa, may kanan. Magsistay ako sa bahay or pupunta ako sa Orlando sa bayaw ko. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Ngayon, ano yung alternative nun? Kaya nag-pros and cons, kaya magandang ginawa mo, nag-pros and cons ka eh. Nung nagkaroon ka ng dalawang choice, chinek mo yung pros and cons nun. Doon, no brownout, ganito, ganyan, flash flood, etc. etc. Sa bahay, okay, pag flash flood, bungalow, so walang second floor. Ang laking chance ng brownout kasi pagka condominium, meron siyang setup na may chance na may generator, may system siya para ma-prevent yung may electricity pa rin kahit papaano. Alam mo yun, yung kahit man lang emergency light na pag nag-brownout is mag-on agad. Alam mo yun, di ba? Yung automatic sa
Yeah.
building. Wala akong ganun sa bahay. Hindi ako
Yeah.
ganun nag-setup sa bahay. So, it 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 makes sense na pupunta ako doon. Right?
Yep.
And then, pupunta lang tayo sa pera. Kasi laging perang problema natin. Katulad nga sabi ko, di ba, nag-worry ako sa pera. Kung pupunta ako sa Orlando, mawawalan ako ng pera. Yun yung cons nung iiwanan ko yung bahay. Kasi yung trabaho ko, hindi ko magagawa eh. Diba? So, ako,
Mm-hmm.
for me, work from home. So, ibig sabihin, nasa bahay yung trabaho ko. Pag lilipat ako sa ibang lugar, mawawala yung trabaho.
Yeah. No, but that's well, kung specifically my scenario, right?
Mm.
Mas may better chance na itong bahay ko mawalan ng kuryente.
Kaysa sa
So
kabila.
wala
So,
akong
mawawala
internet.
ng trabaho.
So
So,
sa
nalaman mo
Orlando,
talaga, pati yung con ko, naging pro na rin.
yeah, kasi
Oo.
sa Orlando, less chances of losing power. So the internet stays up.
Mm.
Then you still like I was working the whole time. I was which I don't think that's a upside.
Ay, yung working is an upside. Now again, when it comes
Yeah.
to money coming in, you were
Just kidding.
working, so
Yeah.
there's money coming in, di ba? So, maybe it's a different example ng magiging con ng aalis ako. Di ba?
Yeah.
Maraming gamit sa bahay na, alam mo yun, importante sa'yo.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Pero syempre, dahil prepared ka, kinuha mo yung pinaka-importante, pero may pa rin hindi mo madadala eh.
Correct. Yes.
Di ba?
Yes.
Na importante pa rin. So, ayaw mong iwan yun. Kasi
Mhm.
handa ka na bang mawala lahat yun? Parang ganun
Yes.
yung dating eh.
Mm-hmm.
Di ba? Pinundan mo yung ganito, pinundan mo yung ganyan, mahal ng ganito, namang ganyan, hindi ko kayang ipagkasya sa lahat sa sasakyan kung puntang Orlando. Ang laki ng problema ko doon, hayaan mo na.
Yeah.
Ayos yung pag-let go ng
Oh,
mga bagay.
that's a really good reminder for myself na parang kasi we try to prepare as much as we can, but of
Mm.
course we all know
Hindi
if
mo
it
makukuha
hits,
lahat.
yeah, if it's, I don't know, if it's time, it's time kind of thing. Um, pero yeah, I just realized na itong bago kong Mac and my PlayStation 5, as in binayad ko lang ng trash bag, nilagay ko sa plastic container, so lagay ko sa closet, and I
If
left it
ever
here.
bahain, nandiyan lang sa loob ng bahay mo, tapos at
Yeah,
least kahit
I
paano
left it
45 siya.
here. Yeah, and I was like, okay, I did what I can to protect it, and I left it. I didn't even think about them because I think it will also come to a point that you kind of define what you value in life. Like,
Yeah.
mahal. Oh my gosh, these are expensive things, but at the end of the day, they're just things,
Mm-hmm.
right? You know what we brought our marriage license, our passports,
Papers
and each
talaga, no?
other, our dog. That's pretty much it.
Grabe,
And
no?
then flashlight, emergency stuff, some clothes, so that's really cool. I mean, ngayon ko lang, like when right now when we're talking, I'm realizing all these things that I'm like, yeah, I left everything here. I brought my camera though. I brought my
Yung
camera, laptop, kasi
Mac
work.
Studio, iniwan, pero yung camera dala, no?
Yeah, yeah,
Alam mo,
yeah.
kasi, kaya ako natanong yan, kasi yun yung sa tingin kong dilema ng bawat isa sa atin sa araw-araw. At I'm sure nakaka-relate yan nanonood na nakikinig ngayon. Kasi, yung choices na yun yung choices na yun ang i-weigh in mo talaga. Tama ka na nung sinabi mo na, at the end of the day, they are just things. Diba?
Yeah.
Sabi mo, ako ang napunta ako sa cons na pag umalis ako sa bahay, parang baka mawala yung mga gamit ko sa bahay. Ngayon, pero pag the ultimate question for me, pagka mawawala yung bahay mo is, sino ba ang pinaka-importante sa bahay? Hindi ano.
Right.
'Di ba?
Absolutely.
Kung ang pinaka-importante sa bahay is kayong dalawa, di kayong dalawa yung umalis. 'Di ba? Kasi if there's a chance na mawawala yung bahay, 'di ba? Kayong dalawa yung aalis. Kasi nalaman niyo yung importante. Ang ang naging dilema is masyado tayong attached dun sa gamit. Kasi alam mo naman 'di ba, sa Pilipinas, hindi ako mag-evacuate. Mamamatay na lang ako dito sa bahay na to. Dito ako pinanganak, dito rin ako mamamatay. There's truth to that. To be set up to your roots kind of thing. But you're not rooted sa bahay.
Yeah. It's
Okay?
it's an idea. It's an idea that you can make a
You
choice
should
to
be
leave behind.
rooted not in things, but in the relationship you leave behind. Or in the relationship that you've inalagaan. Inalagaan mong relationship, di ba? Mas magandang ma-root ka or ugatin ka sa kung ano yung mga solid bond na nagagawa mo sa mga taong mahal
Yeah.
ka, at gusto mong mahalin. Di ba? So, set your roots not on things, but on people. Di ba?
Yeah.
If there's a choice, tao o bagay, you will always choose the tao.
Yeah.
I don't know sa iba.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want to... Marami baka yung tao piliin yung bagay. Pero, I don't want to say na definite yon or absolute yon. Pero, maigi sana na i-choose natin always yung tao.
Yeah.
Kasi 'di ba? Guguho na yung lulubog na yung barko, isi-save mo ba? May nakita kasi akong picture. I know this is a different thing. Na merong isang tao, lalaki, kumbaga siya yung alam mong siya yung pinaka-able na mag-save. And then may isang babae sa tubig na inaabot niya yung anak niya, baby, sa lalaking willing and able magtumulong. Pero yung lalaki sa taas, ang kinukuha niya yung matanda. So technically, ang dilemma is sinong isa-save mo, yung matanda o yung batang binibigay ng nanay sa lalaking pwedeng mag-save. Ang caption niya is, do you dwell on the past or are you going for the future?
Wow.
Diba? mabigat yun dahil tao pareho. Pero
Yes.
kunyari na lang, yung matanda ay yung Mac Studio mo. Okay? Na sa computation ko is kalahating milyon kapag inangat mo lahat. I mean, lahat,
Yes.
what, 8 terabytes at lahat.
That's
Lahat
not
yun.
my setup, but
Hindi
okay.
yung sa kanya yung mababa, pero yung kalahating milyon pesos yung full setup nun eh.
Yeah, fully loaded.
Okay?
Yeah.
Fully loaded sa lahat. Okay? So, ang mangyayari, yung bata o yung Mac Studio, you will always choose the Mac Studio. You will always choose the bata, di ba?
Yeah.
Di ba?
Yeah. Yeah,
Malaking
absolutely.
dilema ng isa dahil matanda, di ba? Past or future. So, pero yung I'm pretty sure tao. So, bakit tayo nahihirapan sa decision?
Yeah. Yeah.
Himayin natin medyo gano'n naman tayo dito. Hihimayin natin yung passage na kita natin.
Just a
Alin
reminder,
dun yung masama?
walang judging, Jose.
Oo, walang judging. Sinasabi ko lang kung ano yung mga nasa utak
We're not
natin.
judging. Yeah.
Mm. Lagay sa comment section kung ano yung sa inyo. Bakit bagay? Sige, if your choice is bagay, okay, go ahead. Choose the Mac Studio.
Gesture.
But, choose the Mac Studio. But, go ahead and defend it. Diba? Defend bakit
Yeah.
yun. Bakit hindi yung bata? Okay? So, ang problema natin is hindi yung ano yung pipiliin natin. Ang naging problema ko, ako, sa araw-araw, is yung paglagay ng listahan. Ilagay ko siya sa taas. Di ba na sa taas? Okay, my wife. Okay, anak ko. And pangalawa kong anak. And Mac Studio. Diba? Alam mo yun? Yun yung sa listahan. Para pag nakakita, pag may emergency, ang una mong kukunin ay ano or sino.
Mhm.
Diba? Ito
Mhm.
let me give an example ng aking kung ano importante sa akin. Kumbaga, I made it a point that I've listed down what are important sa akin. Okay? Alam ko na yon. Meaning, nung nasa Hong Kong kami, merong mga protest before, di ba? And then, COVID-19 happened, di ba? So, gusto kong i-relate sa nangyari sa'yo sa hurricane. Meron kami emergency bag.
Mhm.
At yung emergency bag namin, may tubig na, andun na yung papers ng dalawa kong anak, andun na yung diapers, andun na yung extra damit, payong, tubig, emergency, everything. Andun sa iisang bag. Okay?
Yeah.
So may isang bag kami para sa aming mag-asawa at may isang bag kami para sa dalawa naming anak. So dalawang bag. Okay? Tapos sabi ko sa helper namin, gumawa ka rin ng sarili mong bag na ganyan.
Yeah.
At pag nag-text ako sa'yo ng G, letter G, ibig sabihin, pupunta ka sa Macau, lilipad na tayo punta sa Pilipinas. Okay, meron kaming ganong setup.
Wow, it really gotten bad that way, huh?
Isang letter lang isasend ko sa kanya, G. Wow,
Go.
game na tayo. Punta
Or game.
ka sa Macau Airport. Kasi malapit lang yung Macau terminal, yung bus papunta sa Macau sa Tongchong eh.
Hindi ko naabutan.
Meron siyang way doon. Kaya mo nang pumunta sa Macau through bus na merong bus terminal papunta sa Macau Interchange.
Wow.
From Tongchong. From side ng Yatung.
Yeah.
Doon
From
mismo-
Yatong? Oh my
dalawa.
gosh.
Side from
I missed out.
Mantong yun at saka meron din siya sa Tongchong Exchange. Yung tapat sa may ilalim ng 360.
Mhm.
Okay? Andun yung bus station. Pero meron din sa Mantong, which is walking distance sa bahay.
Yeah.
Okay? So yun yung unang drop eh. Yun yung station. Papunta sa
Yeah.
next is Tongchong, papunta sa Macau Exchange, and Macau Exchange papunta sa Macau Airport, etc. etc. So ang point ko is, alam namin yung mahalaga at nandun siya sa bag na yun.
Yes.
Alam mo, yun yung things na mahalaga. Pero ang pinaka-importante, sabi ko, pero pagka worst comes to worst, hindi mo kailangan dalhin yung bag, sabi ko. Dali mo yung dalawang anak ko. Okay? Yun
Yeah.
yung importante. Tapos pupunta tayo at nililipad tayo. Nakita niyo yun? So, just sa things nakalista, andun sa bag. Sa tao, hindi mo kailangan lista. Gets mo na. Sa
Yeah.
bahay. Idadalhin mo. Diba? So, alin yun sa listahan nyo? Nagawa nyo na ba yun? If there's something na makukuha nyo dito as a tip, maybe list it down. Diba? Katulad sa kanya, ang mahalaga lang kay RB is yung marriage certificate, papers, passports, diba? And then, the two of them, and then the emergency kits. May emergency kit ba kayo? Mga ganon. So, ganon. Ilagay niyo siya doon sa bag na yon. At hanggang ngayon, nung lumindol, umuwi kami sa Pilipinas, di ba? Pag umuwi sa Pilipinas, naka-experience ako ng lindol. Lumilindol. Siyempre, sa akin, normal lang yun. Sa kanila, siyempre, parang what's earthquake? Hong Kong, walang earthquake eh. Di ba? So, nag-prepare kami. Hindi kami nakatulog. Gumawa ulit kami ng emergency bag namin sa Pilipinas. And then, come July of 2021, bumagyo. Bumagyo at umulan ng malakas. Tapos, pumunta kaming Boracay. Ang galing timing. Iniwan namin sa lola at lola yung dalawang anak ko. Bumaha dun sa bahay namin. Alam mo pinaka-useful? Yung emergency bag na yon. Andun lahat. Kasi yung emergency bag na yun, may pera yun eh. Anong nangyari? Pinambili ng pump para mailabas yung tubig sa loob ng bahay.
Yeah.
Yun yung nangyari. Nakabili ng pump dahil doon sa emergency bag na yon. So what I'm saying is, ano yung mahalaga, ilagay mo doon sa emergency bag na yon. Sino yung mahalaga, gawa mo ng paraan para ma-save mo yon. Pero ang point is, kung alam mo yon.
Yeah.
If you don't know the choices, you won't be able to choose.
And it might take time for it to figure that out.
Yes.
You know, that is
But figure it out.
Kung hindi obvious, di ba? Kung hindi obvious na obviously yung asawa or yung anak, yeah, obviously that's, there's no
question about it.
Di ba? Pero pagdating nga sa mga bagay or if you want to go back to what worries you during the day, then that takes time.
At saka, tama ka dun. When I did the emergency bag, parang sabi ko, okay, we have a plan. And if this happens, we have a plan. I know what's going to happen. Di ba? Ito yung step 1, step 2, step 3. Di ba? So, alam ko kung saan pupunta. Right? For example, mga anak din yung asawa ko. Nung nakakasawa ko, alam ko na yung gagawin ko. Kasi didiretso kami. Alam ko na yung mangyayari. Laging pupunta ang ambulance sa nearest hospital. Walking distance yung North Lantau Hospital. So, alam kong doon muna pupunta yung asawa ko. Before siya lagyan ng ilipat sa ibang lugar. I-assess muna sa nearest hospital at kung pwede nang ilipat sa main hospital. Which is sa Princess Margaret. Okay, I don't know if able na yung North Lantau ngayon, pero at that time is Princess Margaret. Okay? So, anong nangyari? Alam kong yun ang mangyayari. Kaya ang ginagawa ng iba, nagtataxi, hindi sila gumagawa ng ambulance. Nagtataxi, pupunta sa diretso sa Princess Margaret kasi ayaw nila mag-waste ng time papunta sa North Lantau, papunta sa Princess Margaret. Okay? So, yun yung ginagawa nila. Alam ko yun. Kasi marami ng buntis na eh. Marami nang nanganak na. Pero kami, alam ko, gusto ko, if emergency, kailangan ambulance. At kung kailangan ambulance, alam ko mapupunta sa North Lantau. Alam ko yun. At from North Lantau, pupunta sa Princess Margaret. At mayon ng queue naman yan eh. Alam natin na mayon ng process sa trabaho natin. Nasa bus ako, after performance, and then sabi sa akin, unusual na pumunta yung SM sa bus eh.
Yeah.
So nakita ko may pumasok, sabi niya, is JP here? Maaga ako eh. Mabilis akong kumilos. Ako yung isa sa unang na pupunta sa bus. At pupunta ako sa dulo. Kasi ayokong nangaagaw eh. Gusto ko, okay, kayo nasa harapan. Pagod na pagod kayo. Sige, kawawa naman kayo eh. So, kayo sa harapan. Although pagod ako, pupunta ako sa likod. Walang problema.
Yeah.
So, nasa likod ako. Tumawag yung SM. Where's JP here? Alam ko na. Nung nangyari yon, tumakbo na ako. So, from step off. From step off.
No, step down.
Step down, tama ka. Nalito.
Yeah.
From step down, tinakbo ko na papunta sa, tapos tumatawag na ako ng Uber.
Wow.
At yung Uber ko, naka-save na papunta sa North Lantau. In less than 7 minutes, sabi ko talaga sa Uber driver, hindi natin kailangan magmadali. Pero manganak na yung asawa ko. Sabi ng driver, got it. Kasi Uber. Yeah. Got it, sabi niya. In 7 minutes, nandun ako sa North Lantau.
Wow.
Pagdating ko sa North Lantau, andun yung mama ng asawa ko at saka yung anak ko. Sabi ng mama ng anak ko, mama ng asawa ko, ni Mami. Sabi niya, kakarating lang namin dito. Ang bilis mo. Ganun na nangyari. Kasi nagsabay yung process ng pagkuha sa bahay papunta sa North Lantau at yung takbo ko at yung proseso ng pag ko. In 7 minutes na doon ako sa North Lantau. Nagkasalubong kami doon sa loob ng and then sabay-sabay kami pumunta sa Princess Margaret. Okay, buti lang pala. So, ang best part is buti lang talaga. Nag-prepare kami na hindi sila magta-taxi, kundi mag-ambulance sila. Kasi may complications na nangyari na kailangan talaga siyang mapunta sa isang nearest hospital.
Oh, wow.
Nakita
Yeah.
mo?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
napunta kami sa iniiwasang proseso ng iba, yun yung kinailangan naming proseso. Nakita mo yun?
Wow.
Pero hindi kami
Yeah.
gumawa ng ibang plano, kundi nag-iisa lang. So, ang aking nakasave sa Uber ko is yung North Lantau. So, ang point ko is, ano yung alternative? Ano yung different scenario na yun? Di ba? Kung hindi ako handa. So,
Yeah.
kaya ako i-emphasize na alam mo dapat yung mahalaga at mag-prepare ka na doon. Okay? Pero gusto ko mag-dwell naman sa control. RB.
Mhm.
Sa control part, kasi choice ang napunta tayo sa choice eh. Sa control, ang problema is yung pag-determine, yun yung sabi sa passage, di ba? Ang sabi
Yeah.
sa passage dito is, clearly to myself, which are externals, not under my control. And which have to do with the choices I actually control.
Yes.
Di ba? So, dalawa.
Mhm.
Choices I don't control, instances I don't control, and instances I control.
Mhm. Resulting from the choices that you make, because that's the
Before.
only thing that you have. Yeah.
Okay. So, alam mo yun, cycle nga, diba? Choices, and then control, yung result nun, controllable, uncontrollable. Choice again.
Yeah.
Controllable, uncontrollable, choice again. Always choose the part internally you. Kasi if yung you is the controllable eh.
Yeah.
Yung
Oh, yeah.
instances is the uncontrollable eh. Diba?
Mhm.
There are instances that you can control with your power, your influence, you can control. There are instances. But on your end, the choices that you make is always
Yes.
your control.
Oh, yeah.
Diba? So, dito pumapasok na, lagi naming prayer to sa bahay. At saka prayer ko simula nung nakita ko to. Sa bahay ng ex ko, nakalagay, nakapaskil sa sa bahay na, tas na ano siya, parang ganito. Love,
Yeah.
laughter, hugs, and friends make our house a home. Parang ganun siya, na daily reminder siya. Talagay, is the prayer na, andito niya sa passage dito, that recovery community, the serenity prayer. God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference.
Mhm.
So yung discerning to know the difference is the hardest part.
Yes.
Diba? I-accept mo talaga yung things you cannot change. Diba? And let go mo talaga. I mean, i-accept mo na you cannot change it, and then you will have the courage to change the things you can. Okay, decision making mo, which napunta tayo doon, yun yung topic natin. And then, the wisdom to know the difference. So, gusto kong mag-dwell doon sa, how do you get the wisdom to know the difference of things you can and cannot control? Is there any instance in your life, RB, na ang hirap nun?
Mahirap, especially in not to be insensitive with the differences with individuals too,
Of course.
because 'di ba, parang may mga simpleng bagay na para sa akin ay simple or whatever, but
Pero
to
sa iba,
other
mahalaga yun.
people that's a
One
big
man's
thing.
trash is other man's treasure.
Yeah, so it is really hard. I let's say as simple as going to an audition, 'di ba? If you remember, like when I auditioned, for Hong Kong Disneyland, hindi ko nga alam eh. Hindi ko alam na this thing existed. It was like the day before the audition, kaklase ko nung college, narinig niya sa
Nagsabi sa'yo.
radyo. Narinig niya sa radyo.
Una-una,
Ang
nakikinig
San
sa radyo,
Miguel,
Good for you.
ang San Miguel, are they called San Miguel
One San Miguel.
Entertainment?
Hindi ko alam.
Like
Nakalimutan.
San Miguel, as in San Miguel Orchestra,
Yeah.
yung entertainment division ng San Miguel, as in the beer company.
Mhm.
They have an arrangement, or they help facilitate the auditions for Hong Kong Disneyland, the opening team. And that was the night before. I was like, oh, and that was when I just finished with our Cultura days, and we were freelancing and almost not really doing anything. Luckily, I was living with my parents, so life wasn't as bad, I guess. Like
Mm.
anyway, I had a choice then. I was like, I have to wake up early, update my resume, and then go to audition. I was so close, JP, to not do it because I didn't know about
Be
it. I was
prepared. Hindi
like,
ka prepared. Ah.
why? Yeah, I was like, yeah, I didn't even know about this thing yesterday. Why would I spend time? And I was like, you know what? No, let's go. Let's do it. And it kind of like now in present day, and if there's an audition that you want to do, just go because you there really is nothing to lose if you go. If you go and you're not sure, I don't know if I want to do it, but I kind of want to. But if you go, you have options then. If you get an offer, and of course that's also like, di ba? Depende pa rin yun
I
kung
think you
ibibigay
cannot
sa yung
control.
role. Yeah. Kung ibigay sa yung role, then you have the choices to accept or not to accept. But if you don't go to the audition, and
It
it's a
will always
definite
be a
no,
no.
you wouldn't know.
Always be a no.
Yeah.
It's an
So
automatic no.
exactly. Yeah, there's no way, like. So my point is, did that help actually?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You were able, through your experience right now, the decision making that you will do will be based on that experience.
Yeah.
That experience
Yep.
told you that you always have to put yourself into the opportunity. The door is always open, you just have to be on the door.
Yes.
Okay? Now,
Yeah.
if they say you can come in or you cannot, because the door is open again. If you took the opportunity to audition, it means the door is already open. Pero meron
Yeah.
pang isang tao na magde-decide na hindi mo control kung papapasukin ka niya sa door o hindi.
Yeah.
Okay? So yun yung
Mhm.
aking explanation nun. Opportunity is always there.
Mhm.
Opportunity is always open. Hindi sinasabi na, mayroon kasing nag-open ng door sa akin. No, the opportunity is already open. You just have to take it. And taking
Yes.
it means going to the audition.
Yes. You
Now,
have to take that first step.
may gatekeeper eh.
Yeah. Of course.
Casting director is the gatekeeper eh. Isasama ka ba niya sa lineup or hindi? 'Di ba?
Mhm.
So sabihin niya, although the door is open, sabihin niya, wait, hindi ka kasali. Sorry.
Mhm.
But you already know. Now, moving forward, ang mangyayari sa'yo, every little thing you do, right, is you will always take the opportunity to put yourself in front of the door.
Mhm.
So you
Yeah.
already discern, nalaman mo na, okay. In order to have control, okay, then you have to put yourself out there.
Yes.
And then, in order to have a choice, you have to put yourself out there. Now, the uncontrollable comes in. Kung
Yes.
mag-decide ba siya o hindi. Ano ngayon yung makontrol mo? Yung performance mo ngayon.
Yes.
Kailangan pala ikaw yung pinakamagaling. 'Di ba? Kailangan
Ikaw
may
malaking
something ka, 'di ba?
pinakamalaking smile.
Oo, or there's something in you that's different na hindi ko ma-describe pero may iba eh. May dating
Yeah.
'di ba? May ganoon eh. May ganoon, hindi ka yung pinakamagaling pero may dating. At
Yeah.
least man lang 'yon, 'di ba? Na 'yun ay control mo. So kailangan dumating ka sa lugar na ikaw yung pinakamagaling sa utak mo.
Mhm.
You don't have to be the best. You just have to be the best in your mind.
Yes.
Kasi control mo 'yun eh.
Yeah.
'Di ba?
I don't know why
Now
I
you
wonder
already
that.
know. Now you already know. Na ako yung pinakamagaling, then I have to audition. Pag hindi ako nag-audition, there's something wrong with me. Kasi ako yung pinakamagaling sa utak ko, pero hindi ako nag-audition. Ang labo mo. Wow.
Yeah.
Ikaw yung pinakamagaling. Parang sabi mo, may singing contest. Tapos ang galing mo, alam mo magaling si Morissette, alam mo magaling si Regine Velasquez.
Mhm.
Diba? Ikaw as an audience, ikaw as kaibigan ni Regine Velasquez o si Morissette, sabihin mo talaga sa kanya, mukha kang engot pag hindi ka mag-audition. Kasi alam kong ikaw yung pinakamagaling. What if hindi ka kailangan ng ibang tao? Ganun ka sa utak mo.
Mhm. Mhm.
Ako yung pinakamagaling eh. So dapat ako mag-audition. So it means I have to be in the door. I have to be in front of the door.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think a very good
Kaya gusto ko yung sinabi mo.
very good
relatable
example
sa ating
then
mga kaibigan.
yes. And I think very good example then is your own story, JP. Because how many auditions you had to go through?
I got the call on the 5th. And I have a
Yeah.
short story to tell. The first audition, I didn't know about it. Actually, wala sa radar ko yung auditions. Hindi ko
Mhm.
alam. Ikaw nalaman mo sa kaibigan mo, ako hindi ko alam. Right? Ako
Uh-huh.
nalaman ko sa'yo. Nag-text ka sa akin. Sabi mo sa akin, JP, pwede ka bang makausap? Sabi ko, sige, landline, may land. Punta ako sa tindahan, sa tabi. Punta ako sa tindahan, magbayad pa ako ng 5 piso para sa, yung landline mismo, yung ganun. Tumawag ako. Sabi ko,
Yeah.
ano yun? Ano ba yun? May audition. Sabi ko, anong audition? Sa Hong Kong Disneyland. Sabi ko, okay lang. Sabi niya, tapos na. Sabi ko, so anong gagawin ko? Tapos na
I
yung
think I
audition, anong gagawin
remember.
ko? Hindi, sabi mo, hindi, meron bukas. Character audition, sabi niya.
I
Sabi ko,
remember that.
character? Anong character? Hindi ko alam, wala akong kamalay-malay ko na yung sabihin ng character. Character audition, so hindi ako pumunta. Kasi parang, in a way, parang mayroon akong disappointment sa utak ko. Ang labo ito na RB, sabi mo sa akin, pero tapos na. Kasi dahil hindi ko alam yung character, hindi ako pumunta.
Okay.
Hindi ako familiar
Uh-huh.
Hindi na ako naghanap ng explanation sa'yo. Ano yung character? Diba? Hindi ko man
Yeah.
sa'yo. So, parang nangyari, hindi ako pumunta sa first auditions na pinag-auditionan mo. Kasi, ikaw nagsabi after ng audition. Okay?
Okay. Right.
Now,
Okay. So
pumunta ako sa second.
this is
Sa
the
June.
you're talking about yung very first audition where we were.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yung
I
second
remember now.
audition, which is June of 2008. 8 nga ba? Oo, 2008. Kasi May yun di ba?
Mhm.
June of 2008.
Natawa pa rin ako sa
June
sinabi
of
ko.
2005 pala. 2005. June of 2005, audition ako. Ang dami sobra namin nun. Sobrang dami namin nun.
I
Sobrang
bet.
dami na parang sabi ko, matapos ba ngayong araw? Matapos ba ngayong araw to? Kasi may second part pa? Second part? Paano kaya yun? Pero sa abutin yung palad, pumasok ako doon. Tapos merong parang first 25. May first 25. Tapos kasama ko sa 25. Pero sa 25, may first 10. Yung first 10, pinagsayaw pa ulit. Meron silang extra pa.
Oh yeah.
Okay?
I remember. Oh
Doon
yeah.
sa extra na yon, hindi ako kasali doon sa first 10. Okay? Pero kasama ko sa first 25. Para ako yung 25th. Feeling ko, sa kalibre ng nakita ko sa mga katabi ko noon, kasi kilala ko yung teacher ko yun. Ganun.
Same. I almost turned around. Nandun na ako sa Halili facilities.
Tapos alis ka ulit. Kasi nga,
Andun na ako, sa taxi pa lang, nakita ko, uy, si Marlon. Uy, Bali Philippines. Uy, PBT. What am I doing here? You know?
diba? So, that's only in your head. Pero, ako, ewan ko, malakas talaga fighting spirit ko. Kahit teacher ko yan, mas magaling ako dyan. Parang gano'n. Sa utak ko pa rin, mas magaling ako dyan. Okay? Pero sa tingin ko, sa first 25, ako yung 25th. Pero ang point ko, kasama ako sa 25th. Kasi alam ko na alam ko mas marunong din sa akin, pero wala doon.
Yeah.
Uuwi.
Yeah.
Right? So sabi ko sa akin, okay. Sabi, wait for 2 weeks. 2 weeks! Ngayon sabi ko, for sure yung 10. Pero sabi ko, for sure yung 25. Kasi wala namang ibang basis eh. Diba? Nung unang audition, halos lahat umalis.
Okay.
Okay? Nakakilala ko, halos lahat umalis. So yung kalibre ng mga kakilala ko na umalis, sabi ko, okay ah. Okay. I'm there. My
Yeah.
skill is there. Kung siya pumasok, I'm pretty sure I will. Okay? Ganun
I see.
yung
Yeah.
fighting spirit
Yep.
ko. So, kasi ma-gauge mo eh. Kasama ko sa tas ano ako dyan? Pantay ako dyan eh. Parang gano'n. At least pantay or lamang ako dyan eh. Di ba? Hindi ka nang dadaw ng ibang tao. Pero sasabi mo, yung kalibre ko nandun.
Yeah.
So, for sure, pasok ako. Pasok ako sa 25. Marami sa, more than, after 25 is, kalibre pa rin eh. Pero hindi pumasok. So, So, I'm proud of myself that I was part of that first.
Yeah.
And I waited for 2 weeks. I listed down all the things that I have to buy in order to be in Hong Kong Disneyland. I didn't get the call. That is out of my control. I was at the door. But they said no. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, here's the thing. Marami sa kaibigan ko na hindi na umulit. Okay?
Yeah.
Kasi hindi
Because,
nila na-discern ang controllable sa uncontrollable.
yeah.
And kung
Yep.
na-discern nila yung controllable sa controllable, ano yung controllable? You. Hindi
Mm-hmm.
ako pumasa, hindi dahil hindi siya marunong tumingin, kundi baka there's something in me that needs to be improved upon.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
on the second, I know I've improved and improved and improved. Sabi nila, siguro ang tapang mo lagi. Kasi ganoon ako eh. Ano ako, sumayaw. With intensity ako sumayaw na hindi ko na aalalang ngumiti.
Mm.
So,
Yeah.
intense ako magsayaw na hindi ako humingiti. Eh, syempre, alam mo naman, Disneyland, kailangan kang ngumiti, di ba?
Remember that was one advice I gave you every time we
Yes.
talked.
Hindi,
Every
at yan din ang advice na sinasabi ko sa mga taong intense din mag-perform.
yeah. Well, that was my advice specifically for this audition. I'm not,
Yes.
you know, I'm
Ah,
not
yan
judging
yun
you
eh.
as a dancer.
So, ang sinasabi ko, kaya nga pinasa ko yung advice mo na yun. Kasi sabi ko, yeah, that worked. Yeah, that advice worked, yung smile na yun. Yung umpisa pa lang, tas ang advice ko sa iba, pumasok ka pa lang sa room, you are already performing.
Yep.
You should already be pleasant.
Mm-hmm.
Diba? So, yun yung sinasabi ng la. Pleasant ka, umpisa pa lang. Diba? Although, mahirap para sa akin yung maging pleasant. Pero ang point ko, performing ka na. Diba? Pagpasok
Yeah.
mo pa lang.
On
Diba?
stage.
So, naalala ko, shoutout kay RM. Kasabay ko si RM sa auditions. Talagang siya yung katabi ko palagi. Siya yung parang compliment ko palagi kasi may same height kami. Tapos magkakilala kami dahil sa UAP days, di ba? So ngayon,
Right.
siya yung show director ngayon ng Hong Kong Disneyland. Di ba?
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hindi choreographer. From choreographer to show director na ngayon.
Show
Siya na yung
director
gumagawa
na,
ng show and then
wow.
someone else choreographs it. Or sometimes he choreographs some. So shoutout sa'yo, RM. Ang point ko is, marami akong kaibigan na hindi na nag-audition. Bakit? Anong difference naming dalawa? Anong difference nung hindi na nag-audition then dismaya na, parang sinasabi niya, okay, yung kalibre ko pala hindi para dito.
Yeah.
Pwedeng yun.
Yeah.
Or, gumagawa ng dahilan, hindi naman talaga ako para dyan eh.
Busy
Iba talaga
person.
yung personality ko, hindi pang pang ganyan eh. Okay. Or
Yeah.
isipin ng dahilan, everything else para sabihin mo na, kaya ka hindi ko pumasa dahil hindi, kaya ako hindi pumasa dahil ayoko na mag-improve. Parang gano'n.
Yeah.
Pwedeng
Yeah.
yun ang dahilan, pero pwedeng hindi rin yung dahilan. Pero ang point ko, based on in my head, iniisip ko kung ano yung naging concern nila, bakit hindi sila nag-audition ulit. Diba? So, discerning what is controllable and uncontrollable and the choice you make after that.
Yeah. Yeah. Because
Diba?
possibly rin na, you know, the response was like it may not be a no, it might just be a not yet.
Yes.
And you have to think about that, you know.
And I auditioned the second time, didn't get the call. Auditioned the third time, didn't get the call. Auditioned the fourth time, didn't get the call. The list that I have, the paper I put the list 2 years and 7 months before is already yellow. But I have the list. So when I
Yeah.
finally got the call, kinuha ko yung list na yon. It's the same list that I checked and ticked before I went to Hong Kong Disneyland. Finally, got the job just because I was able to discern what is controllable and uncontrollable and the choices that I made after that.
Yeah. Yes. And knowing something that if you really want that thing, diba? Like it was, dude, you went to 5 auditions, so like I think you really wanted
You must
it.
have. It looks
You
like
know?
it. Actually,
Maybe, yeah. It's okay.
I can't say that. I really like you.
Diba? Diba? Yeah, posible yung mga kaibigan na hindi tumuloy is like they just lost interest or
Yeah.
and that's okay.
Ganun din.
That's okay.
You led a different life now, di ba? Pero what I'm saying is the choices that you make will lead you to a different life and the alternative you wouldn't know. You just have to choose.
Yeah.
Di ba? And there's a wisdom in that. Katulad mo, the choices that you made after is different now because of that.
Mhm.
Me, lagi kong sinasabi na ngayon na always ask. Because if you don't ask, it will always be a no. But if you ask, you have a 50% chance of a yes.
Yes.
It's the same as the audition. If you didn't audition, it means you didn't ask. Can I join? Can I join the cast? You didn't ask. Then there's no chance of a yes. But if you did ask, you audition, aka audition, asking is aka audition, then there's a 50% chance of a yes or a no.
Mhm.
And in my case, it's a not yet.
Mhm. Yeah.
And there's a side story kasi meron akong alam natin kung sino yung umaalis. Kasi konti na naman dance community sa Pilipinas eh. Kilala mo eh. Umalis si
Yes.
ganito ah. Umalis si ganyan, umalis si ganyan. Naalala ko kasi si Tate. Shout out sa'yo, Tate. Si Tate ay kamukha ko. Kahit sa tag ng Facebook, kamukha ko siya. Marami nagtatag sa kanya, John Philip pa. So, anong nangyari? JP din. So, anong nangyari?
Oh.
Pag tinatag siya, ako yung lumalabas. And vice versa.
That's
So,
funny.
nakatag ako sa pictures niya and vice versa. Okay? So, gets ko na magkamukha kami. Okay? Ang nangyari, nung siya ang tinawagan, alam kong siya ang tinawagan.
Mm.
Okay? Nung 2008, siya yung tinawagan. Nung tinawagan siya nung 2008, hindi siya nag-accept.
I didn't
Nung
know
hindi siya
that.
nag-accept kasi meron siyang ibang gig eh. Tinapos niya ibang gig
Okay.
niya. Hulaan mo kung sino tinawagan.
Ikaw.
Ako. Ang joke ko lagi doon is nalito lang sila sa aming dalawa. Nalito lang sila kanila. Kahit mismo yung picture ng audition namin, nalito lang sila. Kasi pati yung build namin pareho eh. Pati yung
Yeah.
shoulder namin. Alam mo yun, yung itsura, yung pagtingin na kami mas malayo, hindi mo kami malalaman. Lalo pag hindi mo
Yeah.
kami kilala. Diba? So, ang lagi kong joke sa sarili ko at lagi sinasabi ko din kay Tate na actually ako yun eh. Ako talaga yun. Nalito lang sila sa
Ikaw yung first choice.
Ako talaga yung first choice, di ba? Kumbaga, para imbis na i-downer ko sarili ko, di ba? Na, hindi, ako yung second choice kasi ganito, ganyan. Pero ako lang yan, kwento ko lang sa utak ko yan, ha? Hindi ko alam. Tanong natin si kay Ras, rest in peace, kung ano talaga yung kanyang thinking at that time. Hindi, I'll never know. Pero ang point ko is, yun yung kwento ko sa utak ko na, ako talaga yan. Nung tinanggihan ka, nalito, ako na yung tinawagan. So, laging sinasabi kay Tate, salamat Tate, at tinanggihan mo yung unang offer sa'yo. Kasi yung pagtanggi sa'yo, ang nagpasok sa akin sa 2008 cast. Yun yung, side kwento ko sa amin dalawa. So, shout out again sa'yo, sa Tate, sa ating kwento. At alam mo yan, kinikwento ko sa'yo lagi yan. Nakakatawa kasi yung asawa niya, si Tam, nalilito naman sila sa asawa ko. Nakita mo? So, parang magkamukha daw sila. Yung shape ng mukha nila, maliit, ganyan. And then, may anak silang babae. Na halos kasing edad ng anak ko. Pinagtabi namin yung dalawa. Mayroon akong picture na magkatabi sila dalawa. So, magkamukha kaming Tate, magkamukha sila ng asawa ko, yung asawa ko at asawa niya, at yung anak namin magkamukha.
That's funny.
Kambal kami na hindi kami kamag-anak. Those are uncontrollable forces.
Yes.
Yeah. Sana yung mga bagay na to, hindi natin isang tabi. Isa sa mga sinabi mo sa akin ng first episode natin na it's simple but it doesn't mean it's easy.
Mm-hmm.
You have to practice it.
Mm-hmm.
You have to make sure that it's part of your day. It's part of your to-do list. It's number 1 on the list. You have to put focus on all of those on top of your list. If there's one thing that I can give you as a takeaway here, have a list. Okay? Have a list of your to-do and make sure it's in order. There's chronological order. Yeah? Sabi nila yung most important sa taas. But discerning the most important is the problem. Yeah? The wisdom to know the difference. If it's controllable or uncontrollable. But your to-do list is your controllables na eh.
Yeah.
Let me step back a little bit and give you an example of something that it's quite simple, not easy to do, pero I completely struggle every single day. Is yung mga bagay na akala ko mukhang importante today. Okay? Merong importante na timeless, hindi time-bound. Okay? Imagine this, Kailangan ko kasing pumasok today para kumita ako today. Importante. Right?
Yes.
5 years from now, nagtataka ka, ba't inaway mo lahat papunta dun sa trabaho na yun dahil sabi mo importante yung pasok na yun. Hindi mo na kaibigan yung taong yun dahil sa importante yung araw na pagpasok mo na yun. 5 years from now, hindi na. Naiisip mo, dahil pala, ano ba yung pinag-ugutan? Ba't di na kami nag-uusap tong kaibigan kong to? Kasi sa araw na yon, feeling mo importante yung pasok mo na hindi naman talaga. So, there's a timeless choice. Hindi timeless eh. Time-bound choice.
Mhm.
And then, mayroong timeless choice. Lagi mong pumasok ka sa timeless. Meaning, hindi siya bound ng time.
Yeah.
Importante siya nung pinanganak ka at importante siya hanggang ngayon.
Mhm.
Hanggang ngayon. At alam mo, in the future, importante pa rin.
Yes.
Hanapin mo yon sa araw mo. Ang hirap nun. Ang hirap nun. Di ba?
Yep.
You are, bad trip ka na ngayong araw na to dahil kailangan pumasok. Pero, naapektuhan yung buong araw mo. Meaning, hindi, nakasimangot ka na, simangot yung binigay mo sa iba. Tapos, hanggang kinabukasan, naaalala nila yung araw na simangot ka.
Yeah.
Yeah? Ang alternative nun is, hindi pala importante to. I mean, okay. Kung pumasok ako, sige. Kung hindi ako pumasok, sige. Hindi ko palang kailangang ipilit, pero pwede ko palang gawin na ang version nito is pleasant day even if I know if it's important today. For today.
Yeah.
Diba? So yung choice mo na ngayon to be pleasant.
Yes.
Kasi naman mo, okay, hindi siya ganun ka-importante. I will still be pleasant. I will still be the calm, collected person na hindi nang Kasi 5 years from now, hindi pala to talaga importante.
Mhm.
Hirap
Yeah.
nun.
Mahirap.
Ang hirap nun. Simple, pero ang hirap nun. So, kailangan mong i-practice every single day. Malaman mo, okay, 5 years from now ba, itong feeling kong importante ngayon is importante pa rin ba? If the answer is every single day you practice it, if the answer is 5 days consecutively no, then there should be a change in it.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah. Same thing with things that you worry about.
Yes!
You know?
You worry
Because
about the traffic.
worrying, yeah, that's how, I guess, yeah, yun nga yung parang how you would screen and choose these things, di ba? Parang, okay, maybe baseline is, yeah, 5 years. You know, because Ryan Holiday said that too. You know, if things 5 years doesn't matter, then it doesn't matter. Don't worry about it. Just let it go.
Right? Yun yan yung Mac Studio mo. There's a chance na upgraded na yung 5 years, na obsolete na yung specs niyan. Di ba? Na it won't matter anymore. I know it's expensive today, but
Yeah.
5 years from now, it will be obsolete. Just like my
Yep.
phone right now.
Yep.
Just like my phone right now, it's already hindi mo siya makikita na sa Apple website.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Yeah.
It was important to you 5 years ago, but not right now.
Yeah.
Diba? I mean,
Yeah,
it isn't really important actually.
Yeah. And like you said, it's not easy. Like I have things in my life right now that I am kind of struggling with. It's too personal, so I won't say it here. But I think, yeah, I am kind of struggling to label it as something that doesn't matter.
Ayun.
So maybe, oh my gosh, I'm actually just kind of like realizing these things as we were talking. Yeah, because sometimes you have to talk about it, right? Like, you know, and I do think, then I guess it does matter. And you know what I mean? Like, I guess it does matter.
Because you
And
constantly talk about it, then it does matter.
yeah, and if you're struggling to like, no, I can't see it as something that doesn't matter after 5 years. I can't let it go. You know, and if that's the feeling and that's what you
You have
think
to
and
acknowledge that
feel,
feeling.
yeah, then do what you can to do anything that you need to do for that thing right now.
So alam mo,
Goes
kaya
back
ako
to
nakakatuwa ako sa sinabi mo kasi you dwelled on the worry part.
Mhm.
Diba? Because para sa akin, if you worry about something that might happen, you worried twice.
Mhm.
You
Yeah.
worried twice.
Mhm.
So, nainis ka, nag-worry ka dahil baka mangyari. And then, nang nangyari, nag-worry ka lalo.
Mhm.
Pero nag-worry ka before, and then hindi nangyari, sayang yung worry mo.
Yeah. You're wasting your time.
Oo, you're wasting your time,
Oh,
di ba?
your precious time that
Your
now
pre-
belongs to death.
yes. So,
Di ba?
alam mo, I think that's a very good thing to practice upon, no? Uh, alamin mo talaga yung importante, 5 years from now, importante pa rin ba siya? Itong gagawin, a circumstance, not only a thing, uh, yung gagawin mo, di ba? Is it
Yeah.
important ba talaga? Kung kung hindi, i-let go mo na siya, di ba? Kaya ganoon nangyari sa akin since ang mga kausap ko lagi is online at lagi ako sa bahay. Every time nagsasabi sila na canceled, for example. Okay, cancel, I won't be able to do it today. Meron thinking dati, na parang ano ba yan? Sineschedule natin, sinayang mo yung oras ko. Nag-schedule ako dito, nag-set up ako, etc. Nakita mo? Nag-set up ako, yung setup ko is took 30 minutes to an hour to set it up for you to have a call with you. And then, 5 minutes before, kinancel mo. Parang ikaw, I'm sure nakaka-relate ang mga tao dito, naman sa ng
Oh,
pandemic,
yeah.
gano'n. Nakakainis na hindi. But now I've learned to let go. Di ba? Kasi sabi ko,
Then-
5 years from now, that's not important.
Yeah.
Okay, then stop your setup, do something else.
Yeah.
The problem is, you don't have something to do after. Kasi hindi ka nag-set up ng to-do list. Hindi
Yeah.
priority. Okay, priority is the recording, but after that, ano? Di ba?
Yeah.
So if it's uncancelled, okay, I let go. Ganun yung nangyayari sa akin ngayon. Pag nagkakasa mga tao, okay, ang rule ko na nga ngayon, okay, what is most comfortable dun sa other side, yung gagawin ko. Ganun na ako. Kasi sabi ko lang na, okay, I have control of my life or my day, because I have control of my day, then I can actually cancel also. If this is canceled, then I can actually make things different. Alam mo yun? Nagbago
Yeah.
na. Yung araw na to is not about the recording na, it's about making editing. Ganun na siya.
Yeah.
Ganun na siya.
Yeah.
Napunta siya sa isang bagay. Kaya nga ako may listahan ako, pwede ko pakita siguro, na number 1 is review the edit and then record. Right? Ang aking to-do list is number 1 is to do daily is review the edit. Second is edit. And then third is post in social media. Okay?
Yeah.
So, review the edit, and post in social media. Yun yung to-do list ko. Hindi na importante para sa akin kasi 5 years from now, hindi na importante.
Yeah.
Okay? Pero meron akong a must-do.
Mhm.
Meron akong to-do list na alam ko hindi importante, pero gagawin ko lang yon. Ibig sabihin, pag hindi ako nakapag-record, pag hindi ako nakapag-review, review, edit or record, and then post sa social media, hindi importante. Pero gagawin ko yung araw na to, pag hindi mangyari, okay lang.
Yeah.
So, nag-cancel ka. 1 minute, 30 seconds before, nag-cancel ka. Okay, next. Because I have a must-do.
Mhm.
Ngayon,
Yeah.
mayroon ang must-do ko ayun sa taas. Ayun na. Must-do. Number 1 is one good deed. Okay? Ang parandaan ko is 1 GD, one good deed. Number 2, share one positive thought. Okay? Sa kahit sino. Nakausap ko, nakatext ko. Okay? One positive thought. And number 3, improve upon a thing or ask something to improve upon.
Mhm.
Add something in your life. Yun ang point ko. Add some positive in someone else's life. And good deed gagawa. Good thought. Alam mo yun? An idea na binigay mo sa ibang tao. And number 2 is thing to improve upon sa'yo.
Yeah.
Either ikaw ang gagawa ng para sa sarili mo or ask someone to improve
Right.
upon. So yun yung must-do ko every single day. Ano ba? And then meron akong sa ilalim nung to-do list daily na hindi masyadong importante, meron siyang after. Pag nagawa ko ng review, nagawa ko ng edit, post na ako na gagawin ko. Right? Meron akong next na gagawin na hindi talaga importante. Kapag lang may time ka na, Kapag may extra, katulad ng isang recording na hindi nangyari, may time na ako. Gagawin ko na siya. So, gagawin ko
Yeah.
yung format ng IG, na square, gagawin ko yung ibang format ng ganito, edit for ganyan, nakita mo? So,
Yeah.
and then I have a daily reminder. Okay? Gusto ko ibigay ng importance tong to-do list na to, kaya ako sinasabi sa inyo. Kasi, this makes my day full
Mhm.
and I'm not worried about it. Ano ba pagising mo sa umaga? Ano kayong gagawin ko ngayong ano to?
Oh, yeah.
This list, remove that from me.
Yes.
Because I always have something to do. I have a must do, I have a to do daily, and if that didn't happen, I have a secondary to do list if one is cancelled.
Yeah.
If I don't have to review anything, if I don't have to edit anything, I have something to do after that. Right? And then I have a daily reminder. Okay? Ayun siya. Sa baba. Daily reminder. Pakita ko sa gitna. Lagay ko sa gitna para makita ng mga tao.
Yeah.
So, yan. At ayan. Okay? Ang napapansin nyo, andyan na yung stoicism. Yung left side of the reminder is your pace, your race at your own pace. So, I don't have to compare. Second is
Mhm.
nap. Alam mo yung pag naanto ka na. Kasi di ka mapagtrabaho, tapos gumagano ka. Utang na loob, tumigil ka at mag-take a nap ka.
Yep. Take a break.
Number 3 is think home.
Mhm.
Think home. Everything should be about going home, about being in a work from home setup, homeschooling, etc. etc. So, pag mayroon akong idea, nag-uumpisa yung idea, yung seed ng idea to think home first. Okay? I have to start with home. Will this activity make me stay at home? Will this activity improve my home? Will this activity buy me a house to make a home? Ganun. Laging ganun ang nasa isip ko. And number 4 is escape. Ito kasi naisip ko, alam ko may mga tao dito, hey, to-do list, puro lang ginagawa. Well, you have to have time for your escape. Yes, that's also a reminder for me. I take the time to just watch anything not related to anything that I'm doing.
Mhm. Yeah,
Although it's hard
that's
because
important.
so many things I'm doing. So, ang hirap mag-isip ng ibang bagay.
Yeah.
So, naging intention ko to think of something not related to what I'm doing, which is mahirap, na just to escape it.
Yeah.
Okay? And then yung second part niya, yung sa kabilang side ng reminder, is yun na yung stoicism.
Mhm.
Okay? Stoicism, which is memento mori, amor fati, and control what you can, and disregard what you cannot. I want to end what my litanya with that part.
Yes.
I don't want to explain the memento mori. I don't want to explain the amor fati yet. I
We'll
will
get to
explain the control what you can and disregard what you cannot, because that is our topic for today. Control and choice.
Mhm.
Okay? Control what you can is discerning what is you cannot.
Mhm.
And completely disregarding what you cannot is your choice.
Mhm.
In this
Yeah,
episode,
and it'll make
control
you
and choice.
it'll make you happier.
Yeah. That's the
Everything's
best
lighter.
part. The best part, natumbok mo, RB. The best part is, I want to do this every single day. This is not something na taxing for me. When I wake up in the morning, I say, okay, what's in my to-do list? Have I done my must-do? What's my next to-do list? If this is canceled, there's another to-do list. Okay. It's completely reminding me that I have to control what I can and completely disregard what I cannot.
Yeah.
That makes my day faster, my activity faster. Okay, wala nang, nainis ako, nag-concert si RB. Hindi. Next, I have something to do eh. And then, naantok ako, take a nap. And then, okay,
Yeah.
nabobombard yata utak ko. Manood muna ako ng movie.
Yeah. It is important.
Punta muna ako sa ibang lugar.
Do something else that is not your job, you know.
That is not my job. Although, it's hard. My job is topics of everyday life na ang hirap takasan ng nasa
Yeah.
utak ko. Lagi kong, yun ang concern ko na ngayon, RB. Because of this list, because of this control and choice, because of our episode 2, day 1. Okay? I am happier because I took control of the day.
Yes.
Right? And the choices that I make is within my control.
Yes.
Then the worry is lessened. And I am excited to wake up again tomorrow to do it all over again. That's the best part for me. Because to know, I know what tomorrow looks like.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yun yung sinabi ko kanina, compartmentalize, nakarelate ako sa'yo. Compartmentalize, okay. 9:30 is always my breakfast. 9:30, ganito. 2 to 2:30 is always my lunch. Ganito. And 5:30 is always the last meal of the day. I know that. Pati yung pagkain ko, it's the same thing, the same concept.
Yeah.
Diba? So,
Yeah, as simple as anong lulutuin tonight or what's for dinner, di ba? Parang it's always like,
the same
what's
concept
for
ginawa ng
dinner?
asawa ko sa pag-prepare ng food sa kanya. Nakakatawa. Sabi ko lang kagabi, ito small story. Quick story. Sabi ko, ang sarap siguro ng siomay ngayon. Okay, alam niya paano gawin yun. Kasi matagal niya ginagawa, paulit-ulit na ginagawa yun eh. Gumawa siya ng siomay, yun yung ano namin, homemade siomay, chicken siomay, yun yung dinner last meal of yesterday namin. At ito yung I pray na mangyari sa lahat. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
I'm very lucky because after a day's work, I go to the table with a feast. Every single meal, not one time in a day.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm thankful for today. The reason why I said that, because the last part of my day is discerning what I am grateful for the day. Bakwa, what I am grateful for the day. I end the day to something na grateful ako nangyari sa araw. In order for me to be rejuvenated to
continue.
another day. For another day.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And the worry, yung konting-konting worry, tinapakan pa ng gratefulness na yun.
Wow. Yeah. I should start doing that.
So what are you grateful for the day? At yun yung prayer namin sa when we end, before we sleep, our prayer starts with, I am thankful for today because fill in the blank.
Yeah. Yeah. Even doing a journal about what you're grateful for today. Write it down. That helps.
Another takeaway for me today, a call to action. Have something to fill in that blank. I am grateful for today because blank. I'm excited for our next episode, the day 2.
Education is freedom.
Education is freedom. And again, we invite everyone to be in this journey of ours, to become Stoics.
Inspiring others to journey towards Stoicism and careless to love more.
This has been JP Adena.
And RB Ignacio.
See you next week.
See you.